You may not know about some things Apple's smart assistant can do other than play music and tell you the weather.
But our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker shows us how Apple's smart assistant can help you do a simple task hands-free.
There are several reasons you can't always answer your phone by touching the screen. Maybe you have mobility issues, maybe your hands are dirty, or you're washing the dishes. But Siri can actually answer those calls for you, and it's pretty simple to set up.
Just open your iPhone settings and go to Siri and search. And make sure the listen for Hey Siri is turned on, and then scroll down to Announce Calls. This setting allows you to use this feature only while wearing headphones, using headphones in CarPlay, or always. Choose always. Now here's what's going to happen when you change these settings.
Jamie Tucker, or one other.
Hey Siri, answer.
Siri will announce who's calling, and then you can say,
Hello?
Answer the phone, and you'll be connected. If you're not able to hold the phone up to your ears, say,
Hey Siri, answer the phone on speaker.
you'll be able to talk to the person calling from several feet away.
Hello?
You'll also want to go back into settings and turn on Call Hang Up. Now, this is new, so if you don't see it, update your phone to iOS 16. This way, when you want to end the call, just say,
Hey Siri, hang up the phone.
Unfortunately for Android users, there isn't an option that works on every Android brand. Since each Android phone is different, you should check the accessibility settings to see if there's one for your device. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.